As a seasoned project management expert, I've seen firsthand the evolution of tools designed to streamline our workflows. Smartsheet, with its powerful spreadsheet-like interface and collaborative features, has become a go-to platform for many teams. But in our increasingly mobile and sometimes internet-challenged world, a crucial question arises. Can you work offline in Smartsheet? For those new to project management or evaluating Smartsheet for educational purposes, understanding its offline capabilities is paramount. Imagine being on a remote job site, a train with spotty Wi-Fi, or even facing a temporary internet outage in the office. In such scenarios, the ability to access and update your project information becomes critical. Let's dive into the intricacies of Smartsheet and its offline functionality, breaking it down in a way that's easy to grasp for anyone, regardless of their technical expertise. The short answer: not in the traditional sense. The straightforward answer is that Smartsheet, in its core web-based form, does not offer a direct, built-in offline mode like some desktop applications. Because it's primarily designed to operate within a web browser, a constant internet connection is generally required to access, edit, and save your sheets, reports, and dashboards. Think of it like accessing a document on Google Docs. You need an active internet connection to open, modify, and ensure your changes are synced to the cloud. Smartsheet operates on a similar principle. Why the online focus? Smartsheet's architecture is built around real-time collaboration and data synchronization. This means that multiple team members can work on the same sheet simultaneously, and any changes made are instantly visible to everyone. This seamless collaboration is a significant strength of the platform, and it inherently relies on a continuous internet connection. Furthermore, Smartsheet integrates with a wide range of other online tools and services. Maintaining these integrations and ensuring data consistency across platforms necessitates an active internet connection. However, there's more to the story: exploring workarounds and considerations. While a direct offline mode isn't available, there are several aspects and strategies to consider that can help mitigate the challenges of working without internet access. 1. Smartsheet Mobile App, Limited Offline Access. Smartsheet offers mobile applications for both iOS and Android devices. While these apps don't provide full offline functionality for all sheet types, they do offer some limited capabilities. Viewing cache data. If you have recently accessed a sheet while connected to the internet, the mobile app may cache some of that data. This allows you to view the information even when offline. However, this is essentially a snapshot of the data as it was when you were last online. Making limited edits, unsynced in some cases, the mobile app might allow you to make minor edits to cache data while offline. However, these changes are not automatically saved or synced until you regain an internet connection and manually refresh the app. This means there's a risk of losing unsaved data if the app closes unexpectedly or if significant time passes before you reconnect. No offline creation of new sheets or reports. You cannot create new sheets, reports, or dashboards entirely offline using the mobile app. These actions require an active internet connection to interact with the Smartsheet servers. For educational purposes, it's crucial to emphasize that the mobile app's offline capabilities are limited and primarily for viewing recently accessed information. It's not a reliable solution for extensive offline work. 2. Exporting data for offline work. Smartsheet allows you to export your sheets and reports to various formats like CSV, comma-separated values, Excel, or PDF. This can be a valuable workaround for situations where you anticipate being offline but still need to work with the data. Exporting for review. You can export a sheet to PDF to review the information offline without making changes. Exporting for editing, with caution exporting to CSV or Excel, allows you to make edits offline using spreadsheet software on your computer. However, syncing these changes back to Smartsheet can be a manual and potentially error-prone process. You would need to import the modified file back into Smartsheet, which might create a new sheet or require careful copying and pasting to update the original. This method is not ideal for collaborative projects where real-time updates are crucial. For educational purposes, highlight the limitations and potential risks associated with exporting and re-importing data. emphasize the loss of real-time collaboration and the increased chance of data inconsistencies. 3. Third-party synchronization tools, potential complexity. While not a direct Smartsheet feature, some third-party tools or automation platforms might offer ways to synchronize Smartsheet data with local storage or other applications that have offline capabilities. However, these solutions often require technical expertise to set up and maintain, and may come with additional costs. For educational purposes, briefly mention this possibility as an advanced option but caution against it for beginners due to its complexity. Best practices for managing offline scenarios. Even without a dedicated offline mode, project managers can adopt strategies to minimize disruptions when internet connectivity is an issue. Plan ahead. If you know you'll be working in an area with limited or no internet access, ensure you've reviewed and potentially exported the necessary sheets and reports beforehand using the methods described above. Prioritize critical updates. If you manage to get a brief internet connection, focus on syncing the most critical updates and changes. Communicate with your team. Inform your team if you'll be working offline and how that might affect your ability to respond to real-time updates. Establish alternative communication channels if necessary. Document offline work. If you make changes offline using exported data, meticulously document those changes to ensure accurate updates when you reconnect.